My love, I'm so glad we're not sitting here in the winter. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, I think in the winter this place must be bloody cold.
I think you can guess where we are.
Yeah,
We're in Ceres.
Ceres, welcome to Ceres.
Yeah.
And we're sitting at our favorite spot in the mountains at a hot tub. It's a lovely day, it's a sunny day. It's a bit windy, but it's not bad.
hot.
Still hot, yeah?
Yeah.
I think the summer is here.
Yeah, this feels like summer.
This feels like summer. I've got shorts on, look at this.
I'm going to put on my swimming clothes now.
And I've got plakkies on. So I'm somewhere into the summer now. Huh? But yeah, we're just outside of Ceres and we're on the farm Boegoeland.
Boegoeland,
Yeah.
and we're in the sand house.
Yeah, they've got a couple of accommodations and we chose the sandhouse one just for this view. You must see this view. This view is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's nice.
So nice, yeah.
Green all over.
Yeah, we came in the right season.
Yeah, and the hot tub is not on the stoop. It's in this
On like a rocky
on a
hill.
rocky
yeah.
hill, so you can look all over
Yeah.
the valley.
It is very, very nice.
Yeah.
But let's go and
So-
show them. Okay.
Yeah,
You
the
wanna-
hot tub, I
we-
see
We start here.
When you get in from the path you walk from the car,
Yeah.
they've already packed us this mandjie. The
Okay.
mandjie is for a picnic and for a hot tub.
Okay.
So there's your towels, and they give you plastic glasses because they don't want you to get crazy and break a
Break.
thing, and then you can't use it anymore.
Yeah.
The hot tub. So
okay.
yeah,
So that's a picnic monkey as well.
yes, it's also a
picnic basket.
mandjie.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay.
And this is the road. You park down there. I'll show you later. You park down there and then you just walk this little road up here.
Oh, not far.
It's not far, but don't bring too many heavy bags or suitcases or whatever.
Yeah, like bottles and stuff.
Yeah. No bottles. Bottles you must bring. You can't not bring bottles.
Okay.
Yeah. But just look at this.
So now you get on this stoop.
Yeah. This is so freaking green. Huh?
And this is a wraparound
Deck.
deck. It's very nice. You can walk all around the house.
Yeah. And when you get here, there's a lockbox. They leave the key in the lockbox for you.
Yes.
They give you the code.
Yes, we're
And then-
not going to give the code.
No, we're not going to give the code.
And then you've got a nice gas bryer here.
A gas braier, mama.
Yes.
No braai.
No, the gas bryer. This
Just the
time.
gas braier, mama.
Yes, I know you're clever. You can use it.
Oh. Yes. I you know what? I saw there's a fire in the hot tub. I'm just gonna
No, man. Listen.
braai in the hot tub there.
Tonight
I've
we're
done that
making-
before.
Get this clue. Tonight we're making this food. What is that?
Horsey.
Cowboy.
We're making a cowboy
Cowboy
food.
course.
Oh yeah, lekker
And this
cowboy
will
course.
work very well for cowboy course.
It can work, yeah.
Yeah,
It can work. I hope so. We'll
Yes.
see.
Okay, then you can sit there and I can watch you do the food.
Cowboy, yeah?
Yeah.
So where did you bring us some hats? Cowboy hats.
Oh man, I forgot,
You forgot.
the hats. Yeah.
Just mama, just look at the green behind you.
Yeah, that's
This
beautiful.
is ridiculous.
beautiful.
Wow, huh? Look at that. Jeez.
Yeah, they've got all sorts of fruits on this farm.
Ah,
Yeah, I know peaches and berries.
Plums?
And cherries and plums.
Plums as well, yeah. I thought
not
I saw
berries,
plum.
Plums.
plum trees, yeah.
Plums and cherries.
Mama, look at the hanging trees.
Yeah, the hanging trees.
Hanging trees.
Hanging chairs.
Hanging chairs.
There's
Oh,
two-
my brain needs a brandy.
Oh, lekker. Ooh,
Is it
dis
nice and
lekker
springy?
dik stukke.
Wow, okay. That looks very nice.
Dit is nou hoe jy dit
It's
doen.
like a deep seat that you sit in.
This is how you do it. You just need something in this hand.
I'll bring you now.
This
As
hand.
soon as I get it from the car, I'll bring it for you. But come, you must do the tour.
Okay,
Before you get too relaxed.
to relax. This is a 4-sleeper. It's 1 bedroom, but there's a sleeper couch in the sitting room, so that's why there's now some more chairs.
Oh, for the other two people.
Yes.
That's camp chairs there. So you
Yes.
can just sit here and watch the view the whole day.
It's a big farmhouse.
I love that wall at the back.
Yeah.
The stone wall.
It's a very nice feature. So on this side you've got the lounge. There's a kachel. They give you wood. So you don't have to buy any wood, so you can light it up
It's
in the winter.
Cool in here.
It's a cool inside.
There's not an aircon here, but it's like cool. It's you see, this is an old farmhouse.
Yes.
It's thick walls.
Yes.
Yo, it's cold
Cold
in here.
very
Not
well.
cold, but it's cool.
But this will be good for the summer because I
Yeah.
think it gets very hot.
Very,
in
very
here.
hot, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the sleeper couch.
Oh, that's
we
the
talked
pull-out
about?
couch, okay.
Yes. Okay,
Oh,
and
look
on
at
this side,
This take me back to my school days. This looks like my workbench in our woodwork class.
yes, remember.
You remember? Yeah, no.
Okay, so this is the kitchen dining area. I see they've already
Deck the table.
decked the table. And look at this interesting light. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
You just touch it and it
Oh.
goes
All
stronger and
different-
stronger.
different, yeah, shades. Okay.
Yeah, so we're ready with the glasses and the ice we're going to put in there.
Yeah, I brought some.
And then for
a
some
lot of ice.
entertainment, you can play some...
Oh, what are you going to play for me tonight?
No, I'm going to play the fool. I'm going to play that thing.
Hansie Slim.
I don't know these...
What is that one that we all can do? What can we
No,
all?
chopsticks.
Chopsticks. We
Yeah.
can all play chopsticks. That's all I can do.
I played the... not the piano, what is the oral? I played that when I was in standard 2.
Oh,
Yeah, I had some lessons, but I
Oh,
can't
man,
remember
that's
anything.
like
Very much, you don't
50
say
years
it,
ago.
don't say it. Okay, and this side you've got, they've put everything for you for the braai. So there's the braai bak.
okay.
With the lid.
Lekker, lekker.
The
Tongs,
they
the
give you that.
lighters.
There's serviettes, they give you all the
Braai
spices, and
spices.
cook and spray for that
Okay, yeah.
barbecue that you'll need. This is a picnic blanket.
Oh,
So if you want to take that monkey and go do a picnic, you sit on this.
that's cool.
Yes.
We might
There's-
do a picnic.
There's a bit of a
Coffee.
coffee station,
Lekker rusks.
rusk, and they
Lekker
give you
nice.
like marshmallows, and there's hot chocolate. So
But
yeah, you sorted.
Tonight in bed, I'm gonna feed you this
Oh goodness,
in a coffee key.
in a hot chocolate for me.
Oh, in hot chocolate.
Yes,
Sweet on sweet.
Yes. This side is the gas hob and a little oven if you want to use it.
Cute little oven, huh?
Cute little oven.
Sure.
But this is too difficult to use when you're on vacation, so we're just gonna braai.
Yeah, of course. We just braai.
Yeah, not
Come on,
gonna.
there's a black hood, huh?
Oh yes.
It's a beautiful
What
kettle.
you gonna use tomorrow
Jeez,
morning?
it's a beautiful kettle.
Yeah.
Okay, and there's a
Okay.
little heart I see. This is for your
Yes.
platter.
This is for it's actually a cutting board.
Oh, a cutting board.
Yes, it's beautiful. It's like a pear shape.
What do I know?
Yes,
I thought it's a heart.
Okay, then you come in here.
Through the stone wall.
Yeah, it's like a prison.
Huh?
This is like a prison.
You can. It's just.
Yeah, I don't want to stay in here because
Oh,
this
you
is
don't
a
wanna close
wash-up area.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Why
Not
do you?
one of my favorite places.
Why do you even go in there?
I don't know.
Crazy woman.
So you wash up there.
I totally understand why you don't want to come in here. There's some water for us.
Yes, some water.
I'm actually quite thirsty.
And this side, they just have some extra bowls and plates and cutlery that you can use, and the glasses.
Okay.
That's all.
This is
and this
nothing.
Is a full,
This is nothing fancy,
Yeah.
but it's very well equipped with everything. Yeah.
You said it well.
Mama, I know the English is coming right.
And then you've got a big.
Oh, a lekker bottle of wine.
Nice.
Protea.
Wee,
Chenin
geez,
Blanc,
it's
papi.
very beautiful with the flowers. They give you milk.
Okay.
And this is a nice
Big-
size
Big fridge. Yeah.
freezer. And then
There's some ice.
some
also.
ice blocks you can use. Wow, this is nice.
Okay.
Yes.
I must go and get my ice. It's melting in the car.
Oh, shoot.
But let's do this
Yes.
first.
Okay, lock this door. I'm not going to go in there.
No, the wine is in
anymore.
here. The wine is in here.
Okay, so when you walk through the lounge, then you go to the
You
main.
see these lights?
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, and they're on.
So when you go through this area, you go to your main bedroom.
Okay. There's
Very
no TV here. eh? No.
spacious.
Oh, there's Wi-Fi.
There's
I
Wi-Fi.
see there's a Wi-Fi.
Yes, full Wi-Fi.
Full Wi-Fi.
So you can bring your laptop or whatever
yeah.
if you want to stay for long and watch TV.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
We don't do that in our vacation.
There's no time
There's
for
too
that.
much other stuff to do.
There's no time for that.
Yeah.
Mama,
look
big
at
bed.
this. Nice special touch they give you nougat.
Okay,
Nice.
lekker, lekker.
Yeah, so it's a nice spacious bedroom
Yeah.
with cupboards. So you don't have to pack your stuff all over. You put it in the cupboards.
don't-
Keep it neat.
You keep it neat.
it
you
neat.
don't have to work out of your suitcase.
Yeah. And then from this main bedroom, you go into this ensuite bathroom.
Okay.
The ensuite bathroom, it's got a shower and a bath. Look at
It's a
that.
huge bathroom, huh?
Look at the nice bath.
Jeez. This is an old style bath, huh?
Yeah, that's the old with the regte potjies.
Yeah, it's got potjies and everything.
Yes. That's the original.
Oh.
That's nice.
Mama, that light looks like a shower head. You see? I must not shower in the wrong shower.
Remember in the old days they had this, but they had it in the roof.
Oh, with the
then you
little-
pull the rope and then the lights go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember
But that
the
looks
old
so much like a
farmhouses.
shower head.
No, this is the shower, and I'm sure you're gonna fit.
And to your left, you've got the shower. That is nice and high.
Nice and high.
I'm not even going to try. I can see I'm going to fit in
It's
there.
gonna fit very nice.
Okay, cool.
And the potty in the hook.
Yeah.
In the corner, sorry. The potty in the corner.
Yeah, Mama, you must talk English, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Nothing of this mixing.
I'm thinking in Afrikaans again.
You mix your tale.
My tails. So just a little basin. This is an old cupboard. I remember my granny, she had one like this
Yeah,
in her house.
mine as
so
well.
they use they refurbish all the old stuff and make it new like this.
Yeah, but it's because this is an old farmhouse,
Yes,
so they
it
want
must
to.
fit.
It must fit,
You
yeah.
can't put modern stuff in a house like this.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
Okay, my love, is that it? That's
That
the whole
is
place,
that.
huh?
Now we're gonna open a brandy and a monster and get some energy and get into the hot tub.
There's a Sudoku.
I'm sure you're gonna
Puzzle
do that
thing for you.
weekend, but I'm not here to think.
No, me neither. I don't want to think this weekend. Sure, but this is a nice big living area. Huh?
Yes, very big.
Jeez.
You can have a dance in here.
Yeah,
I
you
say.
don't feel cramped. And you know what? Tonight we can actually make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Because there's nobody around us. We can dance here, yeah. Why not? There's
Do it
nobody.
together.
Okay, I'm gonna walk the walk back
Yes.
to the car and get everything,
Oh,
and then
I'll
you,
come and
will you
help
come
you.
and join? Help me,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, cool. And they were so nice to start heating up the hot tub for us. I just felt it, and it's nice and hot already. So that's going to be lekker. That saves a lot of time. Mama, don't fall, huh? So this is a little path that you walk to your car. It's not hectic.
No,
It's just
just a nice walk.
a nice walk, and yeah, you're going to get some exercise if you've got a lot of bags and suitcases. And luckily, we haven't got too much.
Okay.
Just look at this big tree, Lizan. Goodness gracious, huh?
Wow,
Jeez,
that's beautiful.
this is humongous.
Wow.
Okay, they will send you a pin which you can just follow. But I just want to show you, to get to this house, just look at the scenery that you're going through. You're going through all the orchards. It's a working farm, so the guys are still working while you're driving up there. But it is just so beautiful. And you just follow the signs. There's signs all over, depending on what house you booked. And then you get to you'll see the house on the hill there. You turn left, and then you just see that big tree. And you just go towards the big tree, and then then you're at the spot where you start walking to the house. Sure, I worked up a sweat now, huh? I'm telling you, I went 4 times to the car.
Oh my word.
I thought we didn't have a lot of stuff. What the
What
hell's
the
wrong with you?
You know me by now.
We said we're gonna come here and we're just gonna relax and watch the view, and
So what are you doing now?
I'm relaxing and watching the view.
But always before you can do something nice, you have to do something that's not so nice.
Mama, you, huh? Yo, puppy.
Leave
But anyway,
the best for last.
we haven't got any shout outs today.
Oh,
That's why we didn't bring a full bottle of brandy. You see?
you must do shout outs, guys. We're here. We want
Yeah.
to tell you happy birthday or happy anniversary or whatever.
I couldn't afford to buy a new bottle, so I just took one off the
shame.
shelf.
Oh, yes.
So there's no today, huh?
Oh, my
I can do it
word.
myself. Yay! But I can still throw a lekker big skeekie.
Oh,
Ooh,
shit.
that's a nice one.
I'm so glad
That's
mine
a
is
nice
the second
one.
class.
Oh man, did you see?
Yeah.
Did you?
Oh.
Did you see this? This place, they've got the real old style brandy glasses.
Those you
Huh?
love.
I love these glasses.
You
And
love and you break them.
you don't see them often, huh?
No.
And we've got our little ice bucket here.
I love ice buckets.
I know. That's your thing, ice buckets.
One of my things.
We've got many, many, many things. As I. And lekker monstertjie. And you see, I chose the zero one, the sugar-free
Oh,
one.
thank you goodness. It's getting Christmas. We have to get our bodies
No,
right for Thailand.
No.
I can't go like this to Thailand.
I've given up.
Oh, my
I've
word.
given up. No,
You're
it's
going to
just-
be sorry.
Listen, with this lifestyle of ours, it's just impossible.
It is impossible.
To go on it. You lost a lot of weight and you're keeping it down. But I picked up everything
Listen,
again and I can't get it
It's
down
creeping
down
up.
again.
It's creeping up again. I
Oh,
must just
shit.
watch it. But what
Say,
the
my love,
hell?
What the hell? We only live once.
Yes.
I say cheers on living once and
Oops! I'm going
Oh.
around and round.
on living once and on what must be the most affordable place we've ever been to,
Yes.
with the most beautiful view we've
And
ever seen.
And a big spacious house.
Huh?
Yeah.
People, this place is really, really, really affordable.
Yes. And
Yeah.
it's so nice to sit on the stoop and just sit here and watch nothing.
It just shows you it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to
Yes.
go on a breakaway
To have
for a
a nice
weekend.
breakaway, yeah.
It's really. I'll
Yeah.
put the link in the description
Yeah.
down at the bottom so you can go and check it out. I don't want to mention prices because in 2 months' time the price change or 6 months'
Yeah.
time the price change and then people like cross with me.
Yeah.
Because why are you advertising the wrong price?
Just remember one thing. A place is what you made of it. Make
of it, yeah.
So if you come here and you moan about everything, you can't pay a cheap price and expect everything to be modern and high society and whatever.
class, yeah.
Yeah, you can't expect that.
No,
If
no.
you want to pay less, make the most of it.
Yeah. No, I'm with you there. And I mean, with this view, you're just going to live
You're gonna
outside
pay
anyway.
for the view.
Yeah. I was like, cheers, Mama. My
Cheers.
ice is melting. Have a great one. Woo.
Oh,
I took 4 sips.
3 for me.
1 for every time I walk to the car.
You're allowed.
Yeah, I'm sweaty now. Yo. Mama, I see we've got
Just a little
the strawberries again.
bit.
I can't get to it. I must
Oh,
just
oh.
swing. Oh, I must swing there. You're very healthy these days with all the strawberries.
Yeah, and
Every
the
week you
chips.
buy strawberries, huh?
And chips.
Yeah, but the chippies, you have to have chippies. And the biltong is also very very healthy.
Yeah, and another thing, Christmas is coming. So if you want us to make a hectic biltong, I've got nice biltong, very nice yellow fat. We make biltong cakes and we make biltong mandjies for Christmas.
Our cakes
for
are very-
birthdays.
Our cakes are very popular, huh?
Very popular.
Yes, people are loving the cakes.
You can put a bottle of Ulof or whatever you want into the mandjies. We do the mandjies different prices. It's always a good present.
Yeah, so imagine you
remember
can
that.
imagine you can send your best friend that also watch our show
Yeah.
a cake with a Ulof and a monster in it.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Imagine that.
Yes.
Wow, that'll be cool.
That's a great idea.
I say cheers, my love. Finally, we're in the hot tub, huh? Yo, what a nice hot tub. What a great view. Jeez.
Yeah.
I must say, we're so lucky to be able to do this, huh?
Yes.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Especially now that it's getting summer again.
Yeah.
Nice,
and
but now it's quite hot today.
Just gonna put this music a little bit softer. I was like, yeah, it's hot today, yeah. But I was thinking just now, we're so lucky to be able to do this, to sit in a hot tub with this amazing view. Enjoying each other, enjoying the wine of BC Wines, enjoying our life, just not think about all the other things to think about, huh? To stress about.
Yeah.
You just lose all your stress here.
Yeah, everything.
It's just so nice.
It's just you just do nothing.
You think of nothing. That's
and you do nothing.
That's the nice thing. You think of nothing.
Yeah.
You-
Just what you're gonna eat
some-
tonight.
sometimes we do a lot, but we think of nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, you want 2 glasses now?
Jeez, I must hydrate myself.
Hydrate.
I'm losing all my.
Sweat. That's hot, eh? It's lekker. I'm not sweating as much, but it's the wine that makes us sweat like this.
You haven't seen yourself.
Is it? Am I sweating?
You will.
I can feel I'm wet.
Yeah.
But it's not, yeah, it's still
It's
bearable.
nice.
It's still bearable.
I'll
It's
rather
nice.
take this than the
Sit
winter.
and sitting in an office.
Yeah, and taking the winter on.
Yeah.
This is much better.
You don't have to worry about wood here. They supply lots of wood. There's wood all over.
Everywhere.
Underneath here, there's wood. There's wood in the next to the kachel is wood.
Yeah,
So there's a lot of wood
everywhere.
here,
Yes. Oh, nice. And you can play loud music. Nobody
Loud.
can hear you.
You can play it loud. Gaan wild, papi, gaan wild. I see I must refill your water glass. Almost. One ice water coming up. How am I gonna get it? This is so nice. You gonna get it then, Mama? Huh?
I'm so milk white.
Your milk white.
Milk white.
Shame. We really have to get you to Thailand.
Oh, and very fast. I just wanted to say, while we're sitting in the hot tub,
Yeah?
remember to enter the competition to win a hot tub. There's only 1 month to go. At the end of November,
It's still going, yeah.
yeah, there's gonna be a nice draw. The one with the most entries are gonna win a freaking hot tub for himself for a Christmas present.
And you must hurry up because the entries are flying in.
Yes.
Like busy coming in like crazy. So remember, at the end of the time, we're gonna have a bowl with all the names in there. So if you've only got one name in, your chances is less. If you've got 20 names in, your chances will be definitely much better.
Yeah,
huh?
and then you must expect a call from us.
From you. You're gonna give it away, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice, yeah. I hope you guys can still remember how to do it.
I am so sure that Keith's gonna put the steps on the screen right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. Here we go. All the steps how to do it.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Study them and do them.
I'll pause the screen for a while and you can just study them.
Yeah.
Just make sure you've got all the steps how to do it because it's very important. Otherwise, you're not going to be able
Yeah, don't skip a step.
to win. Yeah.
Cheers.
All right, check it out.
That's enough.
Enough time. You don't want to make it too easy, huh?
You can rewind and pause it yourself.
Yeah, they can, yeah. You're right. The sous chef is busy, puppy. Out of the hot tub, the sweat is gone.
I think I've got another 10 minutes and I knock off.
You knock off. Then I must do the rest.
Then, yeah, I'm finished.
Oh, but you're busy.
Or are
Yeah.
you going to pay me overtime
I'll
tonight?
pay you overtime.
Are
I
you
promise.
sure?
Yeah. You want the money up front?
Yes, please.
Once I go and get it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I saw two long horses. And I see you cut them up.
Yeah, you must be afraid of me. I've got a knife in my hand.
I'm so glad to see you can handle big sausages as well.
Hey, yo,
Huh?
man.
Not just tiny ones.
It's so
That would
funny.
listen, that was foot longs. That's
Yeah, it was food.
it was foot longs, yeah. Mama, what are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm dancing here.
I'm sitting and cutting all this little bits into pieces because you want to make cowboy course.
I'm gonna make cowboy food, yeah. But I'm so into dancing tonight. I've been dancing since we got out of the hot tub.
Must I get as a chef for tonight or whatever?
No,
Like you can stay dancing.
I'll be the chef.
You want to do the dancing chef stuff.
No, that's why you help me with
Okay.
with all the cutting and the. I don't like this. I
Okay.
just like throwing everything in.
You are the dancing
So
chef
look at this.
tonight.
I've got my big pan here, but
I thought you were going to say you've got your big pants on.
my big pants. I haven't got pants on. You see, I've got my small pants on. But I brought my pan. I thought there was going to be a fireplace here, so I can use my pan.
But
But
that's
luckily,
good.
this thing it fits in here.
Yeah,
So I'm just going to slide it in like that.
that's good.
It's actually going to work very nicely.
Nah.
Yeah.
Now,
So I'm happy.
okay, this must be nearly enough, I think.
Yo, we're going to make food for the whole farm?
No.
Huh?
What
No,
are
but
we going to do?
Don't worry, we take it home. We take it home.
Mushrooms disappear, am I right?
Yeah, mushrooms go away. Yeah, they just
they
they go
disappear.
small, yeah. But
Okay.
listen, we can eat this tomorrow again. And then whatever is still left, we can take home when we go home.
Okay.
This is lunch for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
So don't stress.
I'm not stressing.
I'm just dancing away. Mama, have you seen your view?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's why I'm sitting right here.
Huh? My goodness, do you sometimes look up as well?
Yes.
You must, you please have to. Look at that view. I cannot get over it. Yo.
I haven't licked my fingers yet.
So you don't look up enough.
Enough. That's
You
the
must
thing.
look up more.
You
Yes, but
want
this is
me to
beautiful,
cut myself.
Hey?
You want to be a nurse tonight.
I want to be everything tonight to
Oh,
you.
goodness.
I want to be your doctor. I want to play doctor with
Oh my word.
you. I want to be everything to you
You
tonight.
are such a crazy person.
Mama, after 30 years, I still want to play doctor
Leave
with you.
alone.
What is going on? Huh?
Nuh-uh.
What's wrong with me? And the bully beef is gonna be open soon. Lekker, my life, lekker. No pork. This is not the strong one. But luckily, but luckily I brought my strong Worcester sauce. Look at this. This is the hot Worcester sauce. When we were in Marloth, I fell in love with this. I just couldn't get enough. Look, that's all that's left from Marloth. But I bought another one, so I've got another spare at home. But I've never seen this in the Cape, in the Western Cape.
No, I can't find it.
No. Have you tried to get it?
No, not really.
But I've never seen it.
God.
Huh?
No, I haven't seen it
Maybe it's a
before.
new thing and we just haven't realized. But
Yeah.
But this is so nice. I put it over everything. Mama isn't so fond of it.
That's why I'm not been looking for it, maybe.
Yeah.
No, that's the
My love,
terrible.
you mustn't do all the peppers, eh?
No,
Yeah, I
just
think that's enough.
only one yellow one.
Huh? That's enough. Now you just slice it in
And
in ribbies, yeah.
Okay.
And the pips, I don't think their pips is
I
so
could-
strong.
I will wash it off. Reepies.
No, this is not jalapenos. This is just sweet peppers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, my glass is on
Are
this.
you still drinking something?
Yeah, on the... Hier binne.
Mom, where's your words? The English is gone. It's finished. Huh? We just started the weekend and the English is finished already. What is going on?
Can I have it, please?
I'll get it for you. And I just want to show them as well. I am making some rice tonight, but it's not
No,
rice.
Pasta
it is,
rice.
Huh?
Pasta
Yeah,
rice.
but I was coming there. I was getting there. This is pasta rice. It's actually pasta that looks like rice. So I'm excited for that. I don't know if I've ever eaten that. My love, where's your glass? Oh, there we go. But there's almost nothing in.
You've
You want a refill?
no,
you had
that's
it all.
the wrong one.
What is this one?
No, man. Daar
This is
staan
still a
hy.
little bit of wine that's left from the hot
ja,
tub.
ja.
Huh? Oh, there's the...
Ja.
She's on the gin again. Gin and...
Dry lemon.
It's not lekker for me.
Oh, goodness.
that's
Thank
all
you.
right.
Much more for me.
I'm still on my brandy. I just cannot get enough of my brandy. Yes, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this, Jelle. Look at this.
You waiting for the sunset.
This is sick. Sick, puppy.
Hey?
Sick.
the sun down.
Yeah, the sun is this side, but the sun is not down yet. Ooh, it's almost there. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country this of us, huh? Of ours. We just stay in the most beautiful place, Western Cape. So beautiful.
Ooh.
Must the bully beef be in
Sorry.
such small blocks?
Sorry, I don't have any handskoenen aan.
Handskoenen, it's only for me and you. We're not going to sell the food. I thought it must be bigger blocks.
How big do you want it?
A little bit bigger than that.
How much bigger?
Just like that. Just cut it in strips.
Strips, long
Yeah,
strips.
No, like that, yeah. Like across,
Suckers.
like that, yeah, strips. Yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go. That's it. We,
Okay, the blocks is mine, the
yeah,
strips is
remember,
yours.
I'm a big cowboy.
Where's your guns?
I can't show it on YouTube.
The guns, man.
Oh my
the
goodness.
guns.
I'll rather show them my my
Mealie.
mealie. that doesn't sound right either. The mealie is on. I'm gonna make me a mealie. Oh, okay. And the mealie is also gonna go into the cowboy food. Mama, you're gonna eat the mealie tonight because I know you don't like mealie.
If it's in pieces. I mean, I don't like mealies, but if it's pips,
Cut up. Liar, liar, pants on fire.
no, you're crazy now tonight. No, stop
no,
it
no, no.
immediately.
Stop it now.
I'm gonna go sleep now.
My love. I'm ready for Thailand. Thailand's beaches. And you're ready for the winter. What is wrong with you? You're cold now.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the sunset.
Well, the sun is down now. It's gone.
Yeah, that's why I put on my top.
But you're really cold now.
Yeah,
huh?
if the sun go down, my light go down.
Your light or your temperature?
My temperature.
Oh, sorry. You see, the thing is, you drink too much.
Too min.
Too min. You drink too min. You must drink, papi. My bottle is almost finished. It's since you start drinking this Bulgaria gin shit.
Gin shit.
Yeah. Brandy is an upper.
Ach nou, give me then a brand.
Brandy is an upper. Everything else is a downer. Whiskey is a downer. Belgravia, the gin shit is nice, but it's a downer. It makes you want to sit in a hoekie and feel sorry for yourself.
Shoot, that sounds like a whiskey.
Yeah, whiskey as well. For me anyway, not for other people. Mama,
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this now. I'm
Nou,
gonna take
Henny.
one with this,
Oh,
and I'm just gonna gooi it like, ooh, papi.
tonight we're just having vegetables. All the bully beef is gone.
Oh. This stuff is,
Burn, baby, burn.
that's hot. It is so nice. Jo. Ek dog net dit is snot neus uit so babbeltjie geblaas.
Ek gaan dit so maak.
So you want a brandy? Can I give you a brandy?
Yes.
Or you want to finish? No, you must finish that.
Okay, I'll finish.
There's still some of your wine as well.
Everything is half,
Yeah,
half,
I just wanted
half.
to say, there's still some of your wine as well.
I like a variety.
No, but you must just finish everything you start.
Die goed gaan vir jou byt vanaand.
Oh?
Die goed gaan vir jou byt vanaand.
Wat so goed?
Die muskiete.
Me. You know, I'm one of those guys. Have you seen that advert?
Ja.
If a mosquito comes to me
Yeah.
and it bites me,
Ja, is klip.
and it, as soon as it flies away,
Yeah.
it just goes, explodes the whole wall full of blood. They can never drink my blood. It's like acid.
What do you need some more?
Huh?
You need to cook and spray and you need the utensils. Because
Yeah.
I'm gonna go once and then it's
But
finished.
I'm not in a rush.
Ja,
I'm gonna. This meal is gonna take 1.5 hours.
nou.
It's gonna take 1.5.
Eet me daal pizzas.
Just the
Pizza delivery.
just the meal is gonna be 1.5 hours, and then the food is gonna be another 2 hours.
Genade.
Genade. So it's now what? It's now 6:30. 1.5 hours.
Ja,
It's,
11 o'clock. I
it's-
might just get lucky.
it's 8 o'clock. We're gonna start the food, and then 10 o'clock we're gonna eat. I promise you, you're gonna eat early tonight. Wow! Just look at this. Look at this. Look at those mountains there. Oh, it's a bit far. But the mountain peaks is red. And the rest is green. Sure. This little mushroom here.
Yay.
That's a happy mushroom. You must cut that thing up, man.
Am I not happy enough?
This is happy music. That's a happy mushroom. Woo! Papi. Oh, lekker. This is good music. I like it. You see, I put some pants on. Look at that.
Yeah, much better.
Much
Are you
better.
Not cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Oh,
I was just scared that I'm gonna get a cold from the bottom up. Woo, woo, woo. There's not gonna be no sunset.
nothing.
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 Oh, yeah, no, I don't think so.
Okay, then
You see the sunset's
check the
behind.
sunset on my back.
On your back, yeah. Lekker doing it together. Kijk, the sunset behind those mountains.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I think if there's clouds in the just above the mountains, you'll get a nice sunset here. But otherwise, I don't know.
Maybe it's pink.
Mama, we're gonna still get into the hot tub later,
Yep, later.
and it's still hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's still hot.
Too hot for the day.
Yeah, but for tonight, when the stars are out
Ooh.
and the brandy is finished,
Oh my word.
and we take a couple of bottles of wine,
Oh my word.
then it will just be magical. Mama, my Millie. Oh shit, I forgot about my Millie.
Oh, please don't burn
Oh goodness.
it. There's only one.
Yeah, there's only one. Oh. Let's see, let's
Oh.
see. Oh no, it's still okay.
A little bit of char is always
It's char,
good.
it's charring, yeah, it's charring. We like a bit of char. You see, there's a little bit of char there,
Yeah.
but charring is good.
Die kant het niks.
No, but I'm gonna get there. That side, and then I'm gonna flip it. I love. Now you've got nice music for us.
Sien jy nou?
Sien jy, hè?
Wat 'n verskil maak
Mama weet
musiek.
hoe. Mama kan. Woe!
Jy moet net die regte woorde hê om in te tik.
Woe!
Woe! Koek.
I'm cracking the planks. I'm too heavy for the planks.
Yes.
Cheers, Mama. Thank you for being here. And thank you for being so nice. You're a wonderful woman.
It's because you're a wonderful husband.
Ah, stop it. I like it. Stop it, I like it. I see a big night coming.
Oh my goodness gracious.
No more baby parties.
No.
No more nothing.
There's a lot of festivals lined up, remember?
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Next weekend we're going to the Madalifi Makiti Festival in Strandfontein.
Because why?
Because,
Steve is there.
oh my goodness, I thought you say I thought you're gonna say it's gonna be an awesome party. Now you,
Yeah, with Steve.
Steve, why Steve? I didn't know that.
Did you know that?
Now I know it. I'm gonna sell my tickets.
Your ticket.
My ticket.
Now you can say that. I'll entertain myself.
Well, you can't do it without me, and you know that. Yeah, by the time you see this video, it's been
Gone already.
gone already. We've been there and came back
Came
already.
back.
Yeah.
Making ready for the next festival.
Oh, then we're going to the Robertson Wine Festival.
Yeah, it's a sip.
A sip and
And
something festival.
yeah, sip and something. And it is on the rivers of the Goudmijn, where the old.
No, it's not Goudmijn. It is at
Viljoenstreef.
Viljoenstreef, yeah. It's at Viljoenstreef. We're going to be there. We will see you there. That's the 24th of October.
Yeah.
But I think this video is gonna come out just after that. That
Okay.
Sunday. It's gonna come out that Sunday, 26th.
Okay, so
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
When this video comes out, the 26th, we're driving back home with a moer of a babbelas.
And then the weekend after that, you can join us at Liefde by the Dam.
Yeah,
Meerenhof.
We're going to Liefde by the Dam.
Meerendal.
Mama, we do a lot of festivals these days. What's going on? Huh?
Die musiek, jong.
Woo! Lekker. I love life. Life is good.
With good music.
Yeah. Woo! Onions is on. Mama!
No.
Where you, oh, you were just gone and now you're back. Onions is on. How do you like my workstation?
It's
Huh?
beautiful.
Beautiful, huh? With this,
Yeah.
with these freaking lights
But
here.
they can't change colors like my one.
No,
can
yeah, they can't. Yeah, no, they can't. They're just one color.
Yeah.
But they're beautiful. I'm gonna keep the heat inside.
Yes, please.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not
puppy.
actually working,
You see?
but okay.
My drink is finished again. Oh, no, wait.
But that's my
Will you
glass.
pour me a... Did you drink this?
Yeah,
no, wait,
there's
that's
your
your
glass.
drink. Oh, this is my new one. This is your old one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Flippin' hell.
I'll pour you a drink.
Okay,
I'm
do
getting
that.
confused here.
I'm telling you.
Okay. But is there any more brandy left? There's the... I brought it out.
Jeez, but you're busy.
Yeah, there's a little bit
You're
left.
so
Huh?
busy.
Mama, you keep the camera.
What must I do with the camera?
Just hold it. Oh, just look at this. I've taken the millie off and I've cut it. I took the millies.
What do you call it? Millies of the corn.
I took
Off the corn.
I took the pips off the corn now. Is that a corn? A corn? The strong? I think it's a corn. now.
knows?
It's millies off the corn. Off
Cob.
the cob.
Cob.
Cob. That's the word. Cob. Yeah, millies off the cob. Corn is the millies. Oh, we must start reading a dictionary.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Huh?
Tomorrow
Really?
I'll buy you one and you're going to start reading.
But can you get me one that you can eat? A dictionary you can eat. I don't like reading, so I'll just eat it.
What? I'll give you a digital one. Come on.
Give it to me in
Come
music.
on. Put in the Coke.
I need some ice and then Coke. Yes, but
Move
this
it.
music is driving me
Nice.
crazy.
Ek gaan vir jou toesluit daar binne.
Jy, het jy die sleutelie?
Ja.
Oh!
Nou.
Ja,
Nou gaan
ja.
hy slotte op. Hy slotte op.
Ek sluit myself toe. Help mama, help!
Jy's op jou eie.
You know what? I can live here. I've got Coke. I've got a lot of juices. I've got one bottle of wine. And
Oh, that's good.
I've got jalapeno mayonnaise
Oh,
available on our website.
that's going to last you an hour.
I can drink this. I've got the onions on. They're sizzling. I've got the tomatoes, cut up tomatoes. That's in. And I've got the peppers. So this must just go lekker soft now. Get cooked. Ooh, this is the kind of food that I love. I love making this. I know this looks like breakfast, but tonight this is going to be our supper. This is cowboy food, puppy. Woo! And the music is still pumping. Lekker, lekker. Okay, we're getting somewhere. The mushrooms are going in. Ooh, this is going to be so nice. Let's close the lid. All of a sudden there's a cold wind that came up. Woo! I'm loving the music tonight. I mean, you're cold, huh? But it is cold now. All of a sudden it's cold.
Ja.
Ooh, and the meat is going in, puppy. Yeah, that one. That is the bully beef, and this is
Foot long cheese
foot
griller.
long cheese grillers. That's going in.
Ooh,
Ooh.
freaking hell. Who did you invite?
Mama, I told you we're gonna give food to the masses tomorrow, and then the millies can also go in. I know they cooked already, but now this is the whole thing shebang. Mama, this smells so nice.
Yes,
Oh my
I smell
word!
it.
I've put some of this salt,
spice.
braai salt on it, because that's all we've got here. And I've put some of this. What is this? Smoky Joe.
Oh,
I've put some Smoky Joe on, and now I'm gonna put some pepper on there.
pepper.
Yeah, I'm just gonna grind some black pepper on there. Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, you look like an Eskimo. Huh? What the hell is wrong
Why
with you?
are you making
Are you
jokes?
so cold? Huh?
I'm very cold.
Well, I must say there was like we in Ceres. It's the coldest, almost the coldest place in South Africa. And it's a cold wind that came up.
Yeah, I know you're gonna still make me a warm water bottle as
A
well.
warm water bottle.
I brought
I'm gonna,
one.
No, I'm gonna make you a lekker hot chocolate with
with
those
marshmallow.
marshmallows in here. No, that's what I'm gonna
Okay.
do. But anyway,
Yeah.
here we go. Cheers. Thank you for a lovely day.
Cheers.
It's always nice with you.
Thank you very
You
much.
just make everything so easy and nice and
Jeez,
Mama.
lots of compliments
Po-
tonight.
points, Papi. I'm just putting them in the bag.
Put me-
But anyway, cheers. I'm gonna drink something. I feel so
Blessed.
blessed, yeah, to have this more of a bucket of food here. Huh?
Cowboy course.
Yes, we're gonna have to share this tomorrow with somebody on this farm. I think we must do it. Yeah, we can't eat this all. But anyway, and I see we've got some pudding. What is this?
It's a
Explain to
little-
me.
It's a little pavlova nest.
A pavlova nest.
Yeah, with mascarpone inside, and on top it's like a strawberry type of.
Can I taste this? On the
Yeah. You're having your pudding before your.
Oh, this. That's gonna put me to bed.
I know. That's the plan. The
No.
plan. I like rugged stuff.
Mama, stop
Big.
it. Stop it. We're working here with
Big
food.
rugged
We're working with food.
pieces of food.
Listen, what's the time now? Let me just see. I think this is still
Oh
10
my
past
word.
10. Huh? You're eating early
you made
tonight.
it. You made it by 50 minutes.
No, you're eating early tonight.
Oh,
10
thank you
past
very
10. My
much.
goodness.
So I've got 50 minutes more to
You,
digest the food.
yeah,
till
we can
tomorrow.
still watch some TV tonight. Huh?
Okay.
No, we're not going to do that. We're going to still go back to the hot tub. You said we're going to do
Oh
that.
shit, and it's
It's
so cold
It's
outside.
cold now. Maybe we leave that.
That tomorrow we're sick.
Yeah, we're going to be sick tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just going to give myself some hot Worcester. Ooh,
Oh, my word.
Worcester sauce. That is going to like lekker burnie.
Jeez.
Cheers, Mama. We greet them
Cheers.
here.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for joining us. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for everything.
And thank you for entering the competition.
Yeah, thank you very much. Without you guys, we can never do this. I can't say that enough. So cheers on them. This is not on us, on you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, good morning. Huh? Yeah, what a beautiful morning, huh? Jeez, I'm telling you, the weather is just on our side these days. I'm busy with a banana sterry stumpy for the babbelas and the coffee and rasky on this side. So I'm doing it like this. Papi is doors vanoggend. Brandewyn het nie brieke nie. Yeah, so let's do a recap of this place. It's a nice farm stay. If you want a breakaway from the everyday life and you want to do it on a budget or not let it break the bank, this is the ideal spot. I mean, just look at this. This is just ridiculous. It's so nice here and it's so quiet in the evenings. Yeah.
And it's
eh?
a nice and big stoop you can use.
Yeah, you just sit on this stoop the whole day.
And you won't get another accommodation with a hot tub for this price.
So this is really something special for everybody. Everybody can afford this. This is very, very nice.
Yeah, just don't come in the winter because then it's going to be snow.
That's also nice. Huh? I think the winter will also
Yeah,
be nice.
If you've got little children, there's a sleeper couch inside. Bring the children if you want to show them the snow.
I'll come and stay here in the snow time. I think there won't be any leaves on the trees.
Yeah.
So it'll look totally different.
Yeah, but there's mountains all around.
Yeah, but then there's snow all over here. I'd love to do that. But anyway, we're gonna greet you guys here. I'm having a rusk. I feel hungry this morning, huh?
Oh,
Why is that? I had such a lot of
that's
cowboy
why.
food last night.
That's why. You had a lot
Too much.
yesterday.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.
Mama's still a bit sleepy, but she's also saying bye. Bye. See you in the next one. Remember to subscribe and remember about the competition for the hot tub. Don't forget about it. Cheers. Bye.